Wake up. Hello, welcome to this Minded Service. Once again, this case we have the backlight issue. Sometimes the screen goes dark and sometimes it's brighter. So we thought that the problem was we thought is the problem with the mainboard, but it's not. Actually, it's the screen. So we just replaced the new screen for the customer, and now it's normal. So just the brightness. Just the brightness, increase, decrease, brighter. So as you can see, it's fine now. So this is the case number 249. It's the HP laptop variant. Let you know if you have the notebook or Macbook that has the screen issue. Feel free to contact us at this Minded Service for assistance. I'm happy for the customer so he can use his laptop again. See you on the next video. Bye.